Ganda rito mga kapal mag-fishing, oh. Ayun. Bougainvillea, oh. Fishing, swimming, camping, bamboo falls massage, boating, stargazing, bonfire, nature walk. Welcome to Dagat-Dagatan. Sampan, surrounded by fire, oh. Mura lang, oh. Fishing, oh, 50 pesos. Fishing rod, 50. 1 kilo fish, 120. Only, oh, may mga karpa pala, oh. May mga huli, lalaki. Pagkilo po ang mga nahuling isda kahit may dalang sarili fishing rod. Maraming salamat po. Dalawa pala ito mga kapao. Yung isa po sa swimming pool. Laki na kasya ko. Yun o. Pwede tayo magpa sa ilalim ng ano.
Dito po itayo.
Sa ilalim ng mangga. Pwede tayo magtinto. Oh. Meron pa ditong duyan ano. Oh, oy, goma. Tapos meron floating. Oh, floating. Uy. Mahina na. Pwede pala pumunta ng gitna para mag-fishing. Ito yung pamain, oh. Oh, dito ka lang kuha ng pamain, oh. Dito ka fishing. Ang galing, oh. Malalim din siguro ito. Uy, maabad din, ah. Pwede rin dito magduyan, oh. Uy, ang ganda ng duyan. Alright. Makakagat dito, oh. Tapos andun yung dagat-dagatan. Dagat-dagatan. Ito mga kapahang mesa dito, oh. May duyan pa. Libre, oh, may campfire pa. Pwede dito mag-campfire, oh. Bonfire pala, bonfire. Pwede dito mag-ano. Uy, pang mayaman, rich kid. Uy, basa. Nang babasa naman ito. Uy, may tagadilig, oh, automatic. Ang galing. Tapos dito ang tindahan. O, saan ka pa? Kapihan, oh. Ang ganda ng kapihan. Tapos sa ilalim, uy, napakaganda. Ayan mga kapaw, nag-fishing na oh. Oh. Wow.
Don't know if there's anything in here. I guess I'll find out.
They said there's a lot of fish here.
Yeah.
The tilapia, the carpa, and then the hito.
Oh,
Yes.
anything right now.
Yes. But if you are lucky enough, then you can
That's it.
have. Try your luck here.
That's all it is luck.
Yeah.
From Canada.
Comrade, wow, welcome to Philippines.
Thank you. And you? Ano panglamo?
Ako, wow, you speak Tagalog.
Konti lang.
Konti lang, yeah. Ako naman ay si John.
Si John.
John, yes.
Ikinigagala ko magilala ka.
Me too. Kinagagala kita makilala at syempre mabuhay. Welcome sa Pilipinas.
Thank you.
Yes.
Beautiful here.
Beautiful, right?
First time camping here. Very nice.
Very nice,
Really?
wow.
Where are you from? Sa Nakatera.
Here. Nakatira ako sa Antipolo.
Antipolo?
Rizal, yes. Very near here.
We're over in Morong.
I'm wrong, just right there.
Just below it.
Yes. So you stay there
Yeah. We've been here for a week.
for a week,
No, I'm sorry. For 3 weeks.
for 3 weeks. All
We
right.
visited Palawan.
Oh.
Went to Boracay.
Wow.
Beautiful.
Nice place here in Philippines,
And now we
Palawan.
have to go back, and that's a shame.
Yeah.
I'm gonna retire here.
You really?
Yeah.
Oh yes, it's
2 or 3
really.
years.
You gotta stay here.
Walang trabaho.
Wala trabaho. Yeah, I think much better to stay here.
Oh,
It's
it's beautiful.
relaxing. You know, the nature, the place.
Yeah.
But may I know your bait?
I don't know what he gave me.
Yeah.
Well,
Oh, what's this? It's a pids.
I was gonna try some tender
Yeah.
juicy if
Yes.
this doesn't work.
Yeah. You can try your luck here. Later, I have my own rod.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I like.
Regular rod, like a.
No, yeah. You know the long one.
Yeah.
If I throw it, maybe reach the other side.
Oh, see, I was hoping for that.
Oh, really? I have there, over there.
That's okay.
Yeah, maybe around. It's the right time, 5 o'clock.
Yeah, almost.
Yeah, almost.
It better, almost about another hour, and then in the morning, I want to get up in the morning.
Oh yeah, in the
5:30.
morning. Yeah,
That's the best.
best time. About 5 o'clock until 7 o'clock in the afternoon. It's good.
Yeah. You fish a lot?
Yes, I sometimes I try to join in fishing competition.
Yeah.
Sometimes the price is 100,000 like that, 200,000.
for the prize.
Yes, for the prize.
Nice.
Yeah, I've been in Zambales, Laguna. You know the Laguna de Bay? Yeah, I've always there.
Yeah, we haven't been to Laguna yet. We've been once in 2019. We want to revisit. It's a nice area, right?
Mm-hmm.
Just once we went. So next time, that's my group over there.
Right there. Wow.
They're talking. They're catching up. That's her. That's my wife's batch mates.
Oh wow, it's a reunion.
Yeah. Every time.
Mag-fishing muna tayo mga kapaa. Meron ako dito pang fishing, yun oh. Oh, mag-fishing ako rito. Wala pa akong nahuhuli. Oh. Andun oh. Mga halaman tong lotus to eh. Lumalaki talaga sila. Sana kagatin yung pain ko. Pids ang pamain ko dyan eh. Ito ang pamain ko mga kapa oh. Pids. Oh. Saan ka makahuli? Ayun. Ang dami na dito mga isda eh. Oh. Naubos lang yung pain ko. Kinakain lang ng mga ano. Tama lang ako nakahuling isda rito. Magkaubos na naman ang pamain ko. Oh. Wala mo lang kumakagat. Maganda rito mga kapa mag-fishing dahil dito mura lang ang bayad. Ang tent pitching dito, pag may interlic ng tent, 50 lang ang bayad. Tapos, pag daytime, 150 lang. Pero pag overnight ka, ang babayaran mo, 250. Makakalain mo yun, napakamura mga kapa. Tapos yun mga kapa, oh. Oh. 3 ang pain ko. Wala man lang kumakagat. Yan. Baka sakali makatsamba ko rito mga kapa ng malaking roho. Dahil yun nga, nasabi ko na 250 lang per day, per overnight. Tapos, pero kung wala kang dalang tent, pili kang mag-rent dito, 550 lang. No, diba mura? Tapos yung tao, ano lang, 250 per head pag adult, pag bata, kalahati, 6 years old pataas. Kalahati ng bayad. Tapos makikita mo, ang ganda rito magpangin, ang dami mga isda, ibon. Kaya lang, hindi ko mahuli sa bingwit. Nako. Tapos dito mga kapa, pag may sasakyan ka, ang parking overnight, 100 lang. 100 ang parking, pag motor, 30 lang, 50 pag overnight, ganyan. Mura. Tapos dalawa ito, mayroon pang isa sa kabila, puro naman swimming pool. Dito, mayroon naman swimming pool. Kasama na sa bayad na 250 per head. Kaya kung solo camping ka lang, ang babayaran mo lang 50 pesos kung may tent ka, tapos 250 sa overnight. Tapos bigla kang pagkain, ayos na, 300 lang. Magluto-luto ka, kain-kain ka, relax-relax ka dito. Tanong-tanong ko dyan sa kabila, ang daming mga ano dyan, nakaka-relax dito mga kapa. Gitnang ano to gitnang gubat. Mga kapa, good morning na good morning Ganito ang dagat-dagatan dito sa umaga. Maliwanag na. Namingit muna tayo. Tignan ko muna yung pamingit ko rin.